I'm Marmy.
And I'm Ed.
And we're back to Science Friday.
We are doing a repeat, but with milk, soda, apple juice, and water.
Last week, during our Pancake Saturday, Meg brought up an interesting idea. She said that she wondered if the same experiment would work the same if we had different fluids. And I said I didn't know, and I thought that would be a really interesting idea. And we should test it out.
You still can eat these, I just wouldn't.
Yeah, I mean, it's just cornstarch and liquid. And don't forget, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. For every 2 cups of starch, you need 1 cup of water or whatever you're going to use. So as Meg said, we have
soda, milk, juice, and water.
So the reason why we're doing water is because that's our control. Do you remember what control means?
It means like the thing that really worked.
So yes, so we know that the water one is definitely, it does everything it's supposed to. It works the way it's supposed to. So we're redoing the water one so we can compare it to all the other things. So shall we begin?
Sure. You start with water.
Okay, so I'm pouring my water while Meg pours her soda.
I don't think this is gonna work.
I really don't know.
Should I stir it?
Should we pour the other 2, or are we gonna stir first?
Yeah, we should do this.
Okay, so we're gonna pour all of our ingredients in their appropriate containers. And I will kind of show you a little bit. I'm gonna move the camera for a second so I can show you guys. So as you can see, we have 4 different containers with our experiment. And as I said last week, this is an extra special, extra messy experiment. So just be prepared for that, and make sure you ask your grown-up
for help
and for permission to even do the experiment.
Sure, they may say it's just too messy. Go do it outside if you want.
I have to say, at least the apple juice one does not smell bad.
Oh, yucky. Sorry, I made an explosion.
Clean up, aisle Meg.
Hey.
I can't say that these seem like really hard to stir.
Help me, please.
Where you can stick your hands in it if you need to.
No, feel mine.
It's like weird and
no,
crumbly.
Feel mine. Literally, feel it. This is milk.
It definitely does not have the same consistency as our control does.
Ew.
Like the apple juice one is like really crumbly.
Should I help over there? Should I help an iron marmy? Should I help an iron marm?
This one is like weird. Like,
should I help?
If you see, like, it's like.
Should I help?
Here, look.
Can I feel it?
Look.
Oh, should I feel it?
You can, but I don't know if it's gonna be.
Oh.
It's very weird. So apparently, to answer the question that we were wondering right off the bat, it looks like the type of liquid does matter, which had no idea.
Nobody knew.
And it's like this, like the apple juice one turned almost into like glue.
Mommy made glue. Mommy made glue.
It's very
weird.
It's very weird. I can't even describe. Like,
no, look at mine. It's like.
Is it clumpy and weird like this one?
No, feel. It's not gross, I promise.
See, like this one is like all clumpy and weird. I'm going to move the camera down so you can kind of see like this one. So you can see what I'm seeing because it's very odd. So like, see, it's like all weird and clumpy. It's just, it's so...
But look at mine.
It's very glue-like. Okay, so apparently apple juice and cornstarch do not work together.
No, this is the milk and cornstarch.
So Meg has milk and cornstarch in hers.
And it's just like, I want to eat it. I really want to eat it. Can I eat mine a little?
Do you really want to try it?
Yeah, try yours. Try yours.
I'm not putting that in my mouth. So in order to do this experiment, we actually went over to the Dollar Tree to get like our containers in case.
No, that was not the only place we went.
We got the containers from the Dollar Tree in case this was a big fat fail. And
where can I put this?
quite frankly, it does look like a big fat fail.
What about the other one?
I'm going to go grab 2 more spoons.
Oh.
And
so, like, in the areas, like, I have that are wet feel, like, normal. But then the areas that are, like, not wet feel weird. Oh. Here,
and so now I have the control one.
She will make the easier one, but I'm making the hard ones, like, different.
So,
like, I'm not using, like, stuff like water and stuff.
And then Meg has the soda one.
It's gross. Mine's gross, obviously.
Ew, that's even more strange than like the juice one.
No, look, I can just like clump it all up.
Yeah, it's like it all absorbed or something. I wonder if it's because we waited to stir, but look, the control one is doing exactly what it should.
Yeah,
it's moving around. It's not doing the weird clumpy glue thing that the apple juice did.
And mine, don't forget mine.
And
no,
then,
really, mine's doing this weird clumpy thing.
And then Mag's almost looks like it's too dry, even though it's the exact right amount.
Should we put more water in it to see?
No, because I measured everything out the way you're supposed to, and
look, I can just like go
we followed directions the way you're supposed to, and that's the way it turned out.
Look, it just like sticks together. Sure, you don't want to feel
So it's like Play-Doh almost.
Yeah, it's like.
So we have glue, Play-Doh,
regular, and then
whatever the milk was.
Yeah, I don't know what that could be.
Yeah, see, the cornstarch definitely does what it's supposed to. So the cornstarch and water does exactly the way it's supposed to. And as you can see, mine even says control on it, because this is the control one. The juice says juice.
Don't feel mine.
Okay, and then let me. Here. So you can, I'll switch with you so I can see what the. Ew.
See?
Okay, so yeah, the soda one is definitely...
No, this one's not working.
It is working. And we used ginger ale for the soda because I wanted something light colored that wouldn't stain our hands.
Coke won't stain
yeah, this
your
one's like weird and like Play-Doh-y or clay-like almost. It's very strange.
Mommy, I think this is ruining this.
You think the pan is?
Yes. Look, I'm sinking, literally. And I'm forcing it. I'm sinking.
Well, we did have different kinds of pans in the original one. But
this is a little of this in there.
No, let's not mix them together because I don't know what it will do. But this one is very... It's very hard. Like, it's definitely not a liquid because, like, I'm pushing down as hard as I can and it's still taking a while to sink down in it.
So that's actual quicksand.
And this was the soda one. And
she labeled them for some reason. Can I feel your apple juice?
The juice one now.
No, that's milk.
No, this is juice.
No?
Juice.
Oh.
So the juice one... It's still glue-like. I mean, and then, look, it's even harder to push down than the soda one.
Should we pour this one into a different cup?
No, I don't think we need to. I think this proves our
feel
hypothesis, which
Can
is...
I still feel them?
Yes. I put the juice one on top of the soda one, but you can feel it.
Why on top of the soda?
Because I'm getting ready to throw them out. That's why I use disposable containers. And then the milk one is just as odd. I mean...
Maybe even... Oh, no way.
It's like coming out in like chunks.
No, hold on. I see something with yours. Don't force and look.
So, look, this one comes out in like chunks.
Mama, come feel yours.
I did.
But don't force.
No, I did.
Did you force?
No, it's like it leaves like a blob. And this is like big
Can I keep
chunks.
playing with this one before you throw it away after this video?
Maybe, we'll see. So apparently the answer to our question is
Fail.
no, it's does the type of liquid make a difference when you're making quicksand?
Yes.
The answer is yes, it does.
It matters.
So this is our Science Friday edition today. We had a hypothesis and we wanted to prove whether or not it was right or wrong. A hypothesis is another way of saying we had a question that we wanted to know the answer to, so we tried it out.
So if anybody else had the same question, if they did it, watch the video.
Now you know. And the more you know. If you like Science Fridays and you want us to keep doing them, don't forget to click like. And if you want to watch more of our strange little adventures that we do, don't forget to click the red subscribe button. And we are also on
Twitter, Instagram, and...
That's it. Just Twitter and Instagram.
Why?
Because I don't Facebook.
I thought you did like something else.
No.
Not like Facebook.
No.
Anything like that.
Nope. So anyway, that's it for us.
And not the other thing.
No. So anyway, that's it for us. Yeah. Bye until next time.
Glue.
Glue.
Yeah, Mommy made glue.
Toodles.